Today we shall start our class regarding Consumer Protection Act in India, nursing. So we can see here people are fighting for their rights. Consumers, consumer suppliers, laws, process, disputes. Consumer Protection Act keeps corporate hospital on toes. More consumers going to court now. So you can see all this in especially in hospitals. Consumer is an individual who purchases products or services for his personal use and not for manufacturing or resale is called a consumer. A consumer is one who is the decision maker whether or not to buy an item at the store, or someone who is influenced by advertisement and marketing. Every time someone goes to a store and buys a shirt, a toy, beverage, or anything else, they make a decision as a consumer. Consumer refers to any person who purchases some goods for a consideration that has been either paid or promised to pay or partly paid. Consumerism is a social and economic order which encourages the buying of goods and services in ever-changing amounts. Right to information is defined as a right to be informed about the quality, quantity, potency, purity, standard, and price of goods or services, as the case may be, so as to protect the consumer against unfair trade practices in the Consumer Protection Act of 1986. So, Parliament. According to the Consumer Protection Act 1986, the consumer right is referred to as a right to be protected against marketing of goods and services which are hazardous to life and property. Consumer Protection Act of 1986. Consumer Protection Act 1986 is an act of the Parliament of India enacted in 1986 to protect the interests and consumers of India. It makes provision for the establishment of consumer councils and other authorities for the settlement of consumers' disputes and for matters connected herewith. Consumer Protection Council are established at the national, state, and district level to increase consumer awareness. Central Consumer Protection Council. It was established by the central government, which consists of the following members: the Minister of Consumer Affairs Chairman and such member of other official or non-official members representing such interests as may be prescribed. State Consumer Protection Council. It is established by the state government, which consists of the following members: a minister in charge of the consumer affairs in the state government, chairman, such number of other official or non-official members representing such interest as may be prescribed by the state or government. Such number of other official or non-official members not exceeding 10 as may be nominated by the central government. The state council is required to meet as and when necessary, but not less than 2 meetings every year. Consumer Disputes Redressal Agencies. District Consumer Disputes Redressal Forum, also known as the Direct Forum, established by the state government in each district of the state. Government may establish more than one district forum in a district. It is a district level court that deals with cases valuing up to 2 million. State Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, SCDRC, also known as the State Commission, established by the state government in the state. It is a state level court that takes up cases valuing less than 10 million. National Consumer Disputes Redressal, NCDRC, established by the government, central government. It is the national level court that works for the whole country and deals with amount more than 10 million.